Welcome to all of you to a semester unlike any other. As everybody knows, this has been a tremendous, enormous, monumental effort for our staff and our faculty over the last weeks and months. Hundreds of people have worked together and collaborated in order to welcome our faculty and our students back on campus. Why? Because we believe in the power of a residential college model for a transformative education, both for our undergraduates and also for our graduate students. And also because we believe that field-defining research that is taking place at Vanderbilt every day is so important and never more important than now. We are engaged in a noble mission that the impact that we have on the lives of our students is profound, and that this responsibility and commitment needs to be realized, if at all possible, of course in the context of providing as healthy and as safe an environment that we can for faculty, staff, and students. I'm confident that we will get through this together as one community and as one Vanderbilt.